back to my channel. So today, this is part 2 now. Then this is, we're going to build a FOTON truck. This one is going to be big. See, it looks like garbage truck. And it's 8 by 8. Let's start, guys. Then let's build him. Look! Let's make him big, right? Enjoy your play. So part 1, this is I make this one first gameplay. Then now we're going to making the FOTON the big truck.
Huh?
It's so big. It's so legendary and very, very big. It looks like Volt is 5, right? Hello Carbot is means you are going to be talking on this. There is a choice of Hello Carbot and a game. Isn't easily actual. Look at this. They are so very big wheels. Here. This is the front of the door. Then this one, they are other things. Then it's going to be weird, exactly cringe. This one is sword, and it's going to be under the floor, okay? This is the garbage bin. And finish this one, the hands, and now it works. See, so very nice. Let's go. I see a muscle over there. So now you have a FOTON truck now. This place is